That fear you feel, that shadow on the horizon, that chaos all around you, it might not be the devil. It might be Jesus coming closer than he ever has before. Walking on what should have drowned you, coming in a shape you didn't expect, to reveal a piece of himself you've never seen. If Lazarus dies, he's a resurrection. John 11:25. If you're blind, he's the light of the world. John 8:12. If the boat is breaking, he still commands the wind and the waves. Mark 4:41. So don't miss the miracle just because it changed forms. Don't forget the baskets. Don't forget what he did before in your life, because the baskets are still in the boat. You're still carrying evidence of his power, his provision, his goodness. What he broke, he blessed. What he walked on, he conquered. What he fed you with, he'll fill you again. So when you're going through the storm, take heart. It's him.